Hello everybody and welcome to this MBL box set on the subject of skills for legal secretaries. Now this is the first module, module 1, communication in the modern law office. There are 6 modules in total and all of them kind of have a lot of similar messages, I suppose, around what it is we're doing. But let's get on to the first slide, which you're going to see in all the modules, but I have to go over them in each module because you may actually watch them out of order. So this is me. Richard Allen. I've been in the law now for over 40 years. And during that time, I started off actually in a City of London firm doing some debt recovery and insolvency work before then deciding to specialise in personal injury litigation, which I did for probably the first half of my career before moving sideways into legal costs and qualifying as a cost lawyer. And then pretty much after that, for probably the last 10 years now, all I do really is train other lawyers. I've worked in a high street firm as a partner, managing 3 offices. I've worked for a top 50 firm, setting up their teams around the UK, their cost teams. I've managed litigation teams. But importantly, in the context of this webinar, throughout all of my active fee earning career, I've always had a secretary. And I would not be where I am today without those secretaries who have helped me and have been invaluable over the years, it has to be said. So an introduction, as I said, 6 modules. It's all pretty straightforward stuff, I suppose, in terms of the headings that we're going through. I will refer to a secretary working for a fee earner. Of course, not every secretary will be working for a fee earner. Somebody who earns fees, somebody's doing work on the coalface. You may be working for a manager who actually doesn't do any fee earning. You maybe have more of a PA, personal assistant role. But when I say fee earner, it basically means your boss, whoever you immediately report to and do most of your work for. So, as I say, 40 years experience across many different sizes of firms in the City of London, in central London, and indeed around the country and in the home counties particularly. So I've been a staff partner as well and managed all the problems and woes that you can imagine in an office. And I've been, as I would say there, a long-time mentor, coach and line manager throughout probably most of my career. I started quite early on, actually, line managing people and giving coaching and mentoring, I suppose, even sometimes to fee earners and staff who were much older, more senior, more qualified than I was. But it was just kind of went with the territory, I suppose.